What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel and another video. I am so excited to be here with you guys. It's been such a long time, really, that I've done a video for all of you. But hey, I'm here now, and the B58 behind me, the 440i, is back here as well, and I got my cup of coffee. But guys, it's been quite some time, and I'm sorry for just not uploading a video in such a very long time. I'm gonna be consistent every week with a new video. So guys, let me show you what I've been up to. Great. So as many of you guys know, I've done quite some mods to the car before I disappeared for a few months. I've been also inactive on Instagram. Just life hit really hard. I moved out to a new place. So the wife and I moved to a large location. So you're in my new garage, which I have more space. I have just more space really, and it's amazing than what I had before. So new location, new living space, and also just my job in general has been really nuts. So I did a few modifications here and there so that I can actually make more time to do more videos and give you guys more content. I have a lot of things coming to the channel, quite a few mods that are still in my shelves. I mean, you know what, let me show you what I have coming up. So first off, the biggest thing right now is this package by JD Cars. If you guys know JD Cars, look at the Instagram link right here, and you guys can just check out his stuff. But I am so excited for this. You know what, let me give you some better shots. All right, so I also have a bunch of these OBD Link CX and Plus that I want to give away. I partnered up with OBD Link quite some time ago, and I am still overdue for a giveaway. So guys, I have a giveaway coming where you can get an OBD adapter like this, and you can do some really cool stuff with your car, like coating, some cool features, like your mirror, mirror windows just folding in, folding out, sequential lights. You can do so many things with coating your car with apps like Beamer Code and Beamer Link. So I got a bunch of these that I have to give out. So guys, stay tuned because I am going to do a giveaway very, very soon. So this is coming soon. Also, Kies Motorsports sent me out these really cool carbon fiber. I don't want to take them out of the bag because I'm gonna get them all scratched up, but these carbon fiber paddle shifters. Paddle shifters? Paddle shifters, yeah. Carbon fiber paddle shifters, and they feel amazing, their quality. So I got it from Kies Motorsports. So Brian and the guys over at Kies Motorsports, thank you for sending me this over. I am well overdue to install this thing, and it's gonna get installed very, very soon. So guys, more coming to the channel. All right, so I got the paddle shifters, the JD Cars console, the OBD Link. What else am I missing? Oh yeah, the brakes. Yeah, so I got a brake upgrade. Basically, I'm not a fan of just blank rotors. I like this drilled or slotted, so I can have a little bit of design and more aesthetics to the car, but also for performance, drilled and slotted, let the rotors breathe, which means faster and longer brake response. So if you're on the track and if you're stopping, the rotors can breathe and cool down, therefore not turning your brake pads into like butter. So I did a full brake upgrade with rotors and pads and oil. I decided to go with R1 Concepts with pads and rotors. And I did that just because it was the most affordable, but yet beginner friendly, if you will, so I can get my feet wet with just braking power. It's enough for me to enjoy the track and be safe, right? Because when you go to the track, it's not just about horsepower. You gotta be able to, you have to stop at some point. So if you're going 60 to 90 miles an hour, maybe over 100, and you're stopping various times, those pads will turn into butter and you will not be able to stop. So make sure you have the appropriate stopping power before you even touch the track. So I'm planning on taking this thing to the track very soon, so stay tuned. But this video is gonna showcase my brake system, so let's get to that. So I decided to go with R1 Concepts for my first brake upgrade. Now on my car, I don't have the M Sport calipers, M Performance calipers, which are a little different than your M cars. With M cars, you have big calipers on both ends, and you're allowed to do a bigger rotor, better brake pads. But on my car, since it's a base model, R1 Concepts was the route to go to. So what I did exactly is I got the R1 Concepts Performance Sports brake pads front and back, and I also got the R1 Concepts Gommet drilled and slotted rotors. I also went with Motul for the brake fluid, and that's basically what I did. So all I did was just new rotors, new pads, the street performance going about it. But my plan here is to keep the street performance for daily use. The rotors are obviously high performance, but while I'm daily in the car, I'm gonna keep these street performance pads. Even though I could take these pads out to the track, I don't think it'll be an issue, right? R1 Concepts made these to be street/track. When I do go to the track and I feel that I need more stopping power, I will upgrade to the track only pads. That way I have complete stopping power. The only problem with those track pads is that they will squeal. They will screech a lot, which is kind of annoying. People would just think that you need to change your brake pads, but you just have track pads on. What I do like about these street pads as well is that they don't really dust that much. I mean, yes and no, but not as bad as track pads. Now, my rims are like a bronze copper, which is great, but and I kind of like the matted look that it gives it. So it's been a lot of fun to drive this car. I mean, I feel more confident in the braking power that I have. R1 Concepts provided some pretty quality material and products. So on top of that, they're affordable. So I went this route because it's affordable and also something that's a great way to start off with. I'm thinking about upgrading it maybe later on in the future when I do go more to the track and I do feel like I need a better stopping power system for my car, then I will upgrade the car. But for now, I think I'm satisfied on my upgrades. So guys, check out R1 Concepts. This is not a sponsored video. I will say that their customer service could be a little bit better. I will be honest about that. So my overall experience with R1 Concepts has been a little bit all over the place. There was a little bit of a delay with where I got this brake job done. So overall, on the product side of things, it's been great. The rotors and the pads have been able to handle my insane dumb driving on the streets and also on the freeway. I've been really abusing it just so I can see what it feels like. If I were to go 60, brake really hard, go 80, brake really hard, and just do all those kind of things so I could really put it to the test. Obviously, the real test would be when I go to the track, right? But overall, R1 Concepts provided great products. So guys, to start off with, as a beginner setup, I would definitely recommend them. The customer service does need some help, I would say that. Maybe I got the wrong guy that helped me out on some things here and there, but there were some products that were heavily delayed. Their pads were heavily delayed as well on shipping it to me. But overall, guys, just get yourself a better set than your base model brake setup. Don't go with blanks because your rotors need to breathe. There's a reason why it's drilled and slotted, because as you brake, they need to be cooled down, right? Especially if you're going at high speeds and stopping really fast. The drilled and slotted allow for airflow for the rotors to cool down, which means your brake pads won't turn to butter. So when you're going at high speeds and stopping really fast, continuously, you have to ensure that your brake system is just properly cool, right? Or can maintain cool so that you can stop, because you do not want to have brakes like butter on the track and hit somebody else's build. That'd be the worst thing ever. So drilled slot is the way to go. Don't go with blanks. Get yourself some really good pads, street/track performance, and then just try it out for yourself. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. This is not a sponsored video at all. I'm giving you my honest thoughts. And then guys, I missed you all. Thank you so much for joining me on this channel. And if you like B58, BMW content in general, make sure you subscribe, because I did a lot of content on my 320i, the N20 motor. And now I'm onto a B58. And hey, who knows? I may just sell this car one day and go into another build, like an M car or a Porsche, I don't know, or a Porsche. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. Subscribe, hit the like button, and I'll catch you next week. I'll see you.